Now let's talk about activity 2. This part is easier. First, you measure 100 ml of water, room temperature water, with graduated cylinder and pour into the same calorimeter. The lab manual suggests you to use pure or bottled water, but it's okay, you just use tap water. Stir the water with a thermometer until the temperature is constant and record the reading as the initial temperature in data table 2. Then you can weigh the calcium chloride using balance. Don't forget to tare it before you pouring any calcium chloride into the weighing boat. It's hard to measure exactly 5 grams, so it's okay if you get 5.01 or 4.99, as long as the amount is not too much or too little. Then gently pour the calcium chloride into the calorimeter and stir the solution with the thermometer. Keep stirring until the temperature stops increasing. So you need to check the temperature several times to ensure it stops increasing, and record the final temperature as TF in data table 2. When you're done, discard the solution into kitchen sink and rinse the inner cup well. You want to remove the calcium chloride residue as much as you can. Then dry the cup and place it back to the calorimeter. For the second trial, you need to measure 10 grams and repeat step 1 to 6 to get initial temperature and a final temperature. And enter your data into this table. You can find this table in the worksheet. And follow the instruction here to do the calculation. Remember, we're using the same calorimeter, so the heat capacity of the calorimeter is the one that you calculated in activity 1. So just write down the same value you got from activity 1, and then do the calculation here. There's a new term, enthalpy. Don't worry about the meaning, like you don't need to think too deeper about this new term. Just know that it means the total energy of a system at constant pressure. So here, just use this equation to calculate the enthalpy of solution. Remember, when you plug in the number, you need to include the sign. So you don't make it too positive. You plug in whatever number you calculated and then calculate the enthalpy of the solution. Alright, that's it for activity 2.